today we are going to see how a ChatGPT can be a programming mentor or programming guide for a developer. Imagine you are in a situation that you have a big chunk of code. You don't know what this code does. Okay, you want to analyze, you want to know the exact details what this code does, and you want to document it. Okay, so in that situation, it is taking you more time to understand because you need to go step by step and you need to track and you need to update. Okay, so in that case, it will take your time more. Okay, but here is a good news that ChatGPT is there and it can help you what the code exactly does, and it can give you the description. You can copy the description and you can document it.
This Diwali, skyrocket your career by learning AI tools and ChatGPT. I'm going to teach you that. Click on the link below and sign up for the workshop.
Okay, guys, now we are going to see into an example. Okay, so this is the Google Colab. Okay, I already have a code. Okay, for example, that code performs. It's like a Python program. It is going to sort the digits of a number in ascending order. Okay, guys, so I have the code. I am going to take this code and I'm going to paste it in Google Colab. Okay, so this I know and you know. Okay, this is to Python program to implement the above approach. Okay, so here we are getting get sorted number and convert it to equivalent string. Okay, it is getting through the number variable and it is sorting. Okay, so this is the work it is doing. I know. Okay, so I'm getting I'm executing this code. Okay, and the number is like 193202042. Okay, it is not in a ascending order or it is not in a descending order. We are going to sort it with ascending order. Okay, so I am executing this code. Okay, so so it has sorted. The output has given us sorted order like ascending. So one should be there, then three twos, then 3 4 9. Okay, correctly it has been sorted. Now I am taking this code and I will I'm going to this ChatGPT. Okay, I'm asking explain the below code. Okay, I just didn't do anything, guys. Just I am pasting that. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it is telling, see, the given Python code is relatively simple and aims to rearrange the digits of a number in increasing order. Okay, so it has given that what is the crux of the code. Okay, and it is a here is a step-by-step explanation. Okay, so it is giving what is the function definition. Okay, you need not to worry about that also. So here they're using the function. Okay, so that is what it is telling here. Yeah, right, get sorted number. You may be aware, right, if there is a open parenthesis and close parenthesis means it is a function, and inside the get generated function they are sending a string. Convert the integer n to its string representation. For example, n is 123, the number will be 123, and sort the digits. So what function it is using inside. Okay, so see, it has given this, and for example, when the number is 321, it becomes 123 because they're using this function. Convert the sorted string back to integer. Okay, so 123 becomes now 123. That means earlier they were using string. Then it is asking the return. Okay, return number. Okay, return means whatever it has received, it has to give it back to the place where it has been called. Okay, so this is the driver code. Okay, so driver code is like n is equal to, they are giving this number, whatever number we gave, it is telling. Okay, so 1932032, and so the output will be a integer n with its digits sorted in increasing order. So see the advantage, guys. Okay, so that is the use of this ChatGPT. Okay, and before entering into the next part, okay, I will be giving the Java code and the Python code. We will see how it is correctly assuming the things and how it is giving the exact details. Okay, so one important update is, as you all aware, okay, that AI is taking over the world. In a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and you don't want to get affected by this recession wave. Okay, so AI won't replace you, but the person using the AI will replace your job. Okay, so if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tools workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Okay, guys, so make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link in the below description. Okay, so if you click in this, for example, be10x.in, so it will take you to this workshop. Okay, click the thing. These are the workshops we have, and if you click over here, you can see learn to use AI tools and ChatGPT, and when it is the next workshop details, and you can see the testimonials also, right? They have given the reviews, and you can see who can join, why this course is required for everyone. So so total job losses, all statistics information they have given. Okay, guys, now let's look into the next code. Okay, so the next part will be little, what to say, yeah, tougher part. We will ask, okay. So I am, just hold on, guys. Okay, I already have the code. I am taking to our same Google Colab. Okay, I am pressing here. Okay, so you should know, right, what this code does. Okay, so this program will, it is for finding the sum of digits of a number until the sum becomes a single digit. Okay, so you will come to know, okay, finding the sum of digits of a number until the sum becomes single digit. Okay, so now you should be understand, you should be aware of it. Okay, so just hold on, guys. Okay, and so here is the program. Okay, and this is the import math operation it is using. We can understand, right? See, this is the information also given method to find the sum of digits. Let's see. Okay, so this is the operations it is going here. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, until a single digit should come. Okay, so it has given the single digit. Okay, because since it is a decimal point, it is taken as 2 point. I am taking the same code. Okay, I'm taking the same code, and I'm asking the, okay, explain the below code. This is ChatGPT. This Python language is designed to repeatedly sum the digits of a number until a sum becomes a single digit. Okay, so it is giving what and all the operations we have used. So we have used math. So that's what it is giving math. The function definition dig sum. Okay, and it is passing the n. And so it is checking. Okay, if you look over here, it is checking, right, while n is greater than 0. Okay, and or greater than 9, so it has to perform the loop, and then it is using this operation and add the last digits of a n to sum. This is achieved by using modulo operator. Okay, so it is acting you like a tutor, right? It is giving you best explanation. It is not just giving you in paragraphs, one set of paragraph, and it is not escaping, right? It is giving, first of all, it gave you what is this in description, and then it is giving you the details of each and every line step by step, so that this is the driver code what we have given, and it is performing all the operations. Okay, guys, so that is the beauty of it. And we'll see one more. We will ask, okay, whether it is a we'll ask whether this code is a Java or Python, like that. Okay, so now I'm going to give one more Java program. Okay, so same thing. Okay, this Java program will be finding the sum of digits of a number until the sum becomes a single digit. Okay, we will see. Just hold on, guys. I'm just taking it. I'm just copying the code from the internet. That's what you may not be seeing. Okay, now I'm going to this place. I'm pasting this in Google Colab. Okay, same operation. Okay, but this is a Java program. Okay, at the end we will ask, okay, whether it is a Java program or Python program, like that we'll ask. Okay, so this is the, if you are a Java programmer, you will be aware. Okay, so what is this code states? So they are using this loop all the operations. Now let's execute. Okay, maybe this is a, okay. Since I'm using this Java util over here, that's fine actually. Okay, instead of that, directly you'll ask to the ChatGPT part. I need to do some extensions, okay, in that Google Colab, it will work. But rather than think, we need to check whether it is a, whether this ChatGPT is understanding whether it is a Google Colab, sorry, whether this is a Python or a Java, okay. See, the Java code performs a similar operation to the previously explained Python code. It repeatedly sums the digits of a number until the sum becomes a single digit, okay. So GFG. Because the problem is, I stored it as IPYNB, okay. That is a problem. It is creating this issue, okay. We can sort it out. It is not a big deal because Google Colab works with, so see how this ChatGPT is helping us here, okay. It is helping, giving you the a Java code also, right? If you want, I want, can you, okay, I'm asking, can you do the above operation in C language? Okay, let's ask. Certainly, here's how the code implements it. As you all are aware, right? C should have that studio.h. Okay, so that is the advantage, guys. Okay, so how it is becoming like a tutor and guide, right? If you have no one language, if you want to, you are in a situation where you need to check the same code as to work with C and other languages. So this is the best approach. ChatGPT be a best companion. So it's done. Okay, guys. So I hope you liked the session, you enjoyed the session. So with the use this ChatGPT and learn many things. Okay, it can be a step-by-step guide also. You can give some topics. You can ask, give me some syllabus for Python or PHP. It will give you syllabus or a roadmap for a data analyst or data scientist. It will give you, and you can go with that approach also. Definitely, it will help you. It can save your time. It can definitely enhance you further. Okay. See you again in the next session, guys. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.